Hello everyone, I'm Sajitanya. Welcome to Tecno. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how you can actually install the super wallpaper in the POCO X2 device. And all these wallpaper APKs will be available in my Telegram group channel. So try to join the Telegram group to download this kind of pretty good Earth Live wallpaper APK. So it doesn't matter POCO X2 or it can be easily installed in any other Android device as well. So try to check the links in description for the Telegram group. So join in my Telegram group for more APKs. So right now you can see, friends, after the Miui 12 update in the Redmi K20 Pro, so I was playing around and I came across this kind of good looking live wallpaper, so which is pretty good from the lock screen to always on display to the home screen. There's a very good animations and everything is going on. And then after a few days I got a Miui 12 update in the POCO X2, but the wallpapers did not get added in the POCO X2 in the Miui 12. So then I researched and I found APKs for this application, super wallpapers. So all the wallpapers will be available in the Telegram group. So let's get started. How does it look after installing in the POCO X2? And even I'll be demonstrating the process how to install, because few things doesn't work as it is. So let me demonstrate right now. As you can see, friends, this is how the animation looks. Super Earth wallpaper, so which is very good and fantastic, the animation. There is no always on display functionality in the POCO X2, so you won't get this kind of good looking feature, as you can see. So which is very good, friends, in terms of the animations. And first thing is that let me tell you, in the Telegram group there will be a zip file I will be uploading directly. So you need to unzip these two files, as you can see right now, super wallpapers. So once you unzip these files, you do get this kind of folder, Super Earth. So in Super Earth you do have different 3 options to choose from, as you can see. So all these APKs you can directly install in your device and you can use as a wallpaper. So there's Super Earth and Super Mars, 2 different wallpapers are there right now, as you can see, friends. So one thing is that if you use the normal few launchers doesn't allow you to actually set with this wallpaper. So you need to download another launcher, which is a launcher or Nova launcher or any other third-party launcher. I did try it with the POCO launcher and a few launchers. It didn't work the way it is. So let me explain. Once you hold on continuously, you will get this option. So once you're in the wallpaper, there's no option to select the all live wallpapers from here. So that's one drawback if you're using POCO X2 or default launcher. So if you use the launcher, then what happens is, if you long press, you'll get the wallpaper, and now you'll get the live wallpaper option. So here you do get this kind of good looking wallpapers like Earth super wallpapers and Mars super wallpapers. So now you need to do set wallpaper, home screen and lock screen at same time. So both will be activated, as you can see right now. So which is a very good, finally I got the APKs for this wallpaper. So right now I have installed in POCO X2, and I'll be trying to install in other Android devices as well. So stay tuned by always subscribing to my channel Tecno. So there are new features every day I'll be trying to review in the Miui 12. So try to check that playlist. So all the playlists will be available. So links in the description for everything, all the playlist. So try to check the playlist and you'll get to know more details about the Miui 12. So finally, friends, this is a way how you can actually install the super Earth wallpapers in the POCO X2 or in any other Android devices. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.